Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about very important thread-related Java interview question. What are the two ways of synchronizing your code, Java code? You know what is synchronization? Synchronization means protecting the code from two or threads accessing at the same time. If you have your data that is shared between multiple threads, you should protect that data, otherwise you will have an inconsistent data in your application. So in order to protect the shared data among the multiple threads, you need to synchronize the code. The question is, what are the two ways of synchronizing the code? There are two ways to synchronize the code. You can synchronize the entire method, or you can synchronize a block within a method. Synchronizing an entire method by putting the synchronized modifier in the method's declaration, like this. For the entire method, I am just putting a synchronized keyword, so entire method is thread safe. To execute the method, a thread must acquire the lock of the object that owns the method. So this is at the instance level, so whichever thread is going to access this, it should get the lock for this method. Then synchronizing a block within a method. Synchronize a subset of method by surrounding desired lines of code with curly braces and inserting the synchronized expression before opening curly braces. This allows you to synchronize a block on the lock of any object at all, not necessarily the object that owns the code. So you can have your any object. So this is synchronizing a part of block. So you have entire method. I don't want to synchronize the entire method. I want to just synchronize a portion of a method. So what I'm doing is I'm creating a temporary lock object, and I'm having a synchronized modifier. I'm using the lock, and I am executing the block. That means this particular portion, these three lines of code is thread safe. I'm synchronizing these three lines of code, and once these three lines of code is executed, this object lock is released. Any other thread can enter these three lines of code and execute. So I'm synchronizing only this portion. This is called as synchronizing a block within a method. There are two ways I told. Entire method you can do like this, or you can do a particular block, and remaining lines of this code in this method are not synchronized. The advantage of synchronizing a part within a method is it does not have a performance hit. If you're doing for an entire method, this entire method, no thread can access it once a thread entered it. So there is a performance hit if you're making an entire method as synchronized. If you make only a part as synchronized, then there is no performance hit. It will improve your performance. Okay, so you can tell to the interviewer that making a part of the method synchronized, it's a good and best practice. Hope this video is useful for your Java interview preparation. Thank you and all the best for your interview. If this video is useful for you, please click the like button. Thank you.